Vivo X300 Series. This image go further. Launching on 2nd December 12 p.m. Here is the images. So we go down. Sick flat design. Unifying classic photographic signatures. Pick your vibe. There are 3 colors in X300, which is and in X300 Pro there is 2 colors, Phantom Black Dune Brown. Left its mysterious well. Engraving. This twin 1200 MP accessory defining imaging X300 Pro 1200 MP this appear telephoto camera limitless zoom. X300 1200 MP this is main camera lossless zoom. Here is other details. Flip cards, a flip on new web.